Howdy bros, my name is PewDiePie! I mean, greetings beautiful creatures, my name is Angel Nightmare. First, we're just going to use some menstrual blood to rub on our face. Because we respect women. Just spread this on your face until it's completely even. This is water activated face paint by Wolf Effects. The links to all the products that I'm using will be in the description below if you'd like to check that out. They're all very affordable and easy to use, and I'm going to point out that they are affiliate links. So if you want to get new makeup and support your boy at the same time, go ahead and check out those links in the description. Yeah, get those lip rings. Now it's time to put on some lipstick. This is just a matte black lipstick by Wet n Wild. It was limited during Halloween, which I really think they should release this year round, but I'll leave a link in the description if you'd like to pick this up. Beautiful. Now we're just going to draw on some eyebrows. If you have eyebrows, most likely you will have eyebrows. You don't have to worry about this step. But if you do have eyebrows, just remember to shave them. Please, just shave those, please. Yeah, just go ahead and do that real quick. Yeah, and also, can you like, comment, and subscribe? Now, just doing the classic technique, starting off with a thin line and then building up on it to make sure that they're as even as possible, because they're probably not going to be 100% even. Now we're just getting some black water activated face paint. This is Mehron Paradise, and I'm just going to use this to go around my eyelids a little bit. Doesn't have to be perfect because we're just going to blend that out with eyeshadow. And I'm also going to use this for the rest of the look to draw the lines and the Brofist logo on my forehead. Yeah, get up in there in that eyeshadow. Yeah, get in there. So now we're just going to blend this out. Most of you probably pretty much already know how to do this. You just get a little eyeshadow on your brush and then you blend it, you know, and you just got to remember to keep blending, keep swiping and blending and diffusing the look until your arm gets very buff and you can not move anymore. It gets sore. Just got to keep doing that until the area around your eye just gets rubbed away, like all the flesh just starts peeling off. Now we're going to draw the lines. Pretty much we're just doing little curvy lines and trying to put them in a pattern, and I'm actually not really like a definite pattern, just kind of doing some curvy lines and some wavy lines and stacking them next to each other. That's pretty much it. It's pretty easy. You can put a little bit more time and detail in it, but you know, I'm impatient. This is an easy way to achieve that 2018 PewDiePie look. I mean, you got everything. You got the color red, you got the color black, which are my two favorite colors, and you got some squiggly lines, which expresses how chaotic existence is and how chaotic my mind is. And now we're just drawing the PewDiePie logo, which was pretty simple to draw. You're just drawing like a short fat P that's in like a bubble letter, and then you're kind of just filling in the little Brofist logo in the middle, which I thought was going to be a lot harder, but it was pretty simple to do, and I'm pretty sure that you guys could do this really easily. Maybe you could do it better than I can. You definitely can probably do it better than I can. Oh snap, and we are done. But can you do this? The answer is no. I apparently cannot do this because I do not have that $3.99, you know. But if you do got that $3.99, you will be able to do indeed that. I actually like new PewDiePie better than old PewDiePie. Just going to point that out. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, smack that bell button, bite that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.